and welcome. This is Amanda, the Nerdy Krafter, and we are here today with day 21 of our Craft Buddy Advent Calendar. This has been such a fun project. Great month of new diamond art, crystal art sets. Ooh, this one's beautiful. Beautiful blue ornament. Each day in this calendar, we get a new ornament that we get to add to our magnetic or metal Christmas tree. Yesterday we had a Christmas tree, so today is a beautiful blue. I don't know if we've had a full blue one before. Oh, we had a turquoise one. This one's really pretty. So a couple weeks ago I had a friend that helped print this what do I want to call it? Tray system for my crystals, and oh my goodness, what a game changer it has been. Oh, I thought it was gonna be more blue. It's turquoise. Still very pretty. And it has been a game changer. I've absolutely loved it. So I have included the 3D file that we purchased for this, but if you are interested, let me know in the comments and I will send you the contact information for my friend who printed this for me and see if he's able to print one for you also. It is so much fun. We pick the colors. You can choose different color choices for the lids, but this is the color theme that I chose. I find it so funny. So look at all of these different crystals, and there's only 2 on here. They do say that they provide 60% or more crystals for each project, which has been very, very true of form. I have tons of extra crystals to use on future projects. Actually, I might just start with this one. So I'm going to go ahead and then turn the sound so you can just listen to me crafting away. I do have a electric gun that sucks up the crystals via air power, so it's wonderful. It makes these projects so quick and fast. I'm actually doing this backwards. I'm going to start with the number 3, which is something I have not done in all this time. So look, changing things up at the end. So I will catch you back at the end. Okay. Isn't this absolutely beautiful? Turquoise is one of my favorite colors, but with the blue printed behind it, it does look a little more blue than some of the other ones did. But this one is so cute. So this was day 21 of our Craft Buddy Crystal Art Advent Calendar. And here we go, getting so much closer to the end of the month. Oh, I'm loving these projects. I'm so sad to see them go, but we have new adventures for next year also. Thank you so much for joining me. My name's Amanda, the Nerdy Krafter, and I will see you tomorrow.